Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll talk about the 5 best free video editing software. So without further ado, let's get started. You can find links to these in the description below. OpenShot. OpenShot is again an open source program which looks quite similar to Apple's iMovie program. The interface of OpenShot is pretty simple and easy to use. Features include 3D animated titles, video transitions, rotation, snapping, trimming, audio mixing, and many more. One of the most useful features OpenShot has is the capability to have unlimited layers. If you are new to video editing, this is a great tool to begin with. OpenShot is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. ShotCut. ShotCut is an open source video editing software that works in Windows, Mac, and Linux. This powerful video editor supports a wide range of audio and video formats, including 4K videos. The interface is super easy to use, and it comes with a massive library of inbuilt video effects. There are no watermarks on the rendered videos, and if you want something that's not too difficult to get used to, ShotCut is definitely a great choice. Lightworks. Lightworks is an excellent all-round powerful video editing software that comes with an advanced set of features which include multicam support, fast, precise editing, and more than 100 inbuilt presets. It supports a wide variety of output formats, but you can only produce videos up to 720p resolution with the free version. For full HD and 4K video support, you will need to get the paid version. Lightworks supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. DaVinci Resolve 16. The latest free version of DaVinci Resolve has an intuitive interface, and the cross-platform capabilities are the same as ShotCut. Color correction traits of DaVinci Resolve 16 are absolutely phenomenal. The latest version includes features like facial recognition, 3D audio support, direct export to YouTube, and many more. The interface of DaVinci Resolve 16 is quite similar to that of Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can render videos in a range of file formats without any annoying watermarks. Hitfilm Express. Hitfilm Express is a professional video editor that is packed with some really great features, especially if you do vlogs. It comes with advanced video trimming and audio editing capability, along with 3D video support, with a robust timeline editor and more than 180 built-in special effects. Hitfilm Express is undoubtedly one of the most advanced free video editors out there. Hitfilm Express is available for both Windows and Mac, but not for Linux, and there are no watermarks on the videos you produce. We hope you found this video helpful. Which free video editing software do you use? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you soon again.